So if you're here, you're interested in learning how to not suck at folding fitted sheets, because right now you suck at it and your sheets look awful. And I'm sure that you forgive yourself for it, but will your mom? I mean, think about that. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to teach you how to get them just passing, okay? They're going to be just organized enough that if people see them while they're folded, you're going to be good, right? Any other part of this is just not going to end up that great, but we'll see. So this is what we'll do. We're going to extend it, all right, and get on the underside, the part that would be underneath when on the mattress. And then try to grab it about somewhere in the middle, okay? Doesn't matter what it looks like now, just keep going. So now that you're hanging like this, get these two sides together, get these two sides together, and shake it up. Shake it up so that whatever part is inside just gets a little stretched out. And then we're gonna eliminate all that ugly stuff. Do you see all that ugly stuff? Right here, I got a straight line. Over there, I got ugly stuff. And this is how you solve it. You start folding it in half. So first we fold in half here, and now we've got two straight lines. You see that? Two straight lines. And then we fold it in thirds, because we gotta hide this all the way. Okay, so we fold it in third ones, and then the rest of the three. And we have an ugly line right here. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3 straight lines and an ugly line. So to eliminate that one, we again fold thirds. So we hide the ugly line and then keep going. And now we have a neatly folded sheet, right? This is the shape that I got to because in my house we fold them pretty small. It has to be compact. But look, now it could be any old sheet, right? And now you don't suck at folding fitted sheets, but you could always get better. You don't want to suck at folding fitted sheets, okay? So, let's just start over. I don't know why it has to be in certain, right? We're gonna put it on and we're like, ah, crap, which side's the long side? And the way that I do that, which is for a queen bed. And this shouldn't be in the video. This, what? Let's just do another take, another take, another take.